Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on fixing most missing DLL errors on Windows 11. Using this method, you can fix most of DLL missing errors on your Windows 11 machine. So, now proceed with the steps. First, navigate to the Microsoft website, link provided in video description, and download DirectX application on your PC. Then install it on your computer. Ensure to uncheck the Install the Bing bar option during the installation if you don't need it. Once the application is installed, restart your PC and see if it fixed the DLL issues. If not, then open an administrative command prompt on your PC. To do that, click on the Start button on the taskbar and search for Command Prompt. In the search results, right-click on the command prompt and select the Run as Administrator option. Now, type sfc/scan now and press Enter key on the keyboard. This command will scan your PC for protected system files and replace corrupted files with a cached copy. After a few minutes, it will be completed. Again, type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and press Enter key on the keyboard. This will scan your PC for corruption and repair problems that it finds. Finally, restart your PC and see if it solved the DLL issues. If it could not solve the issues, open DLL Files website and type the DLL file name that is missing or corrupt on your computer. Then, click on the Search DLL Files. In the search results, click on the DLL file link. Download the latest version of DLL file. Unzip it in a folder using any software such as WinRAR or the built-in Windows Zip tool. Now, copy the DLL file and paste it into the C:\Windows\system32 folder. Good luck! See you in the next video.